So now let's get into it. Imagine you have a business idea and you have all the drive to make it happen, but you don't have money. What do? Let's assume you went, hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something most people hear in finance but don't actually understand it. And that thing is bond. In today's video, I will show you in a simple term what a bond is and how you can start investing in government bond, even right now in Nigeria. Hi, I'm Larry, a finance and business coach and personal development strategist. For the past 1 decade, I have immersed myself in the field of finance and money through personal research. And what I'm bringing to you now is something that will help you multiply your money. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if the video resonates with you, and also hit the notification bell so that each time we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So now let's get into it. Imagine you have a business idea and you have all the drive to make it happen, but you don't have money. What do? Let's assume you went and meet someone that have money to borrow you. Then you make the person a promise that you will pay back with interest. That is simply using someone else's money. So what is a bond? A bond is just a loan. Unlike borrowing from the bank, you now become the bank. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to the government, a company, or international body. In return, they promise to give you interest at a regular interval and return your capital at an agreed date, usually called maturity date. Now, let's assume you buy a bond of, let's say, 1 million naira bond that gives you 10% interest per annum for 3 years. That means every year you'll be having 10% of 1 million, which is 100,000 for that period of 3 years. And at the end of the year, they will return your 1 million naira capital back to you. A bond is a stable, predictable income that is very suitable for long-term plan. Now, the question is, why do people invest in bonds? What is the benefit of investing in bonds? Now, the simple reason why people love to buy bond is because it's low risk, especially the government bond. And again, it provides a steady income. If you are that kind of person that want to have a regular, stable income that you are sure of, then bond is the answer for you. Another great reason why people invest in bond is that it's great for retirement planning. I made a video sometimes last week titled 8 Financial Mistakes You Must Avoid in Your 30s and 40s, and one of which is thinking that retirement is too far away. Everybody who thinks that retirement is too far away, 90% of them retire broke. So start your retirement plan early. You can consider buying bond for a long term. If you want to watch that video, 8 Financial Mistakes You Must Avoid in Your 30s and 40s, link is on the description. Now, another important reason why you should consider buying bond is because it helps you to diversify your portfolio, especially if you have other businesses or stock. Now, it's important to understand that diversification is the golden rule of investing. This is because if all your fund is just used in one asset, let's assume you just use all your money to buy tech stock, any little dip, your whole portfolio will take a hit. Why? Because you do not diversify. So buying a bond when you have other businesses is a great way for diversification. If you need a better understanding on investing and diversification strategy, you can grab my free guide, The Smart Investor's Blueprint. Take note, a bond is not fast money, but it's short money. Now, in case you're asking, who is the issuer? Who issue bonds? There are 3 main types of bonds you will come across. And number 1 is government bond, just like the FGN saving bond in Nigeria. Number 2 is corporate bond from big companies. And number 3 is Euro bonds. That is bond issued in foreign currency. In case you want to earn in foreign currency, Euro bonds is the answer. But now, for most beginners and recommendation, FGN saving bond is the easiest and safest to start with. Now, in this final session, the question is, how do you buy government bond? Now, here is how you can buy FGN saving bond in Nigeria, step by step on how you can buy it. Step 1, visit the website www.dmo.gov.ng. Step 2, look for licensed stockbroker. You can check ones like CSL Stockbroker, ARM Security, or Stanbic IBTC. Step 3, open a brokerage account and they will give you a number called CS number. Step 4, wait for the monthly bond offer. Usually open every first week of the month. For example, I'm making this video today being 6th of August, and the bond for this month of August 2025 opened on 4th and is closing on 8th. So if you see this video early enough, you still have 2 days to take action. And if you want to be notified each time there is a new offer for a bond, you can join our WhatsApp broadcast. Link is on the description, so that will bring notification there. You will get notified immediately. Step number 5, choose your bond. In choosing your bond, 2 things you have to put into consideration is interest rates and duration. And once that is done, step 6, just proceed and make payment through your broker or platform. The next thing you are going to do is just to sit and relax and wait for your interest. Mainly every 3 months, you'll be getting your interest drop in your bank account. It's that easy. Now, take note, you don't need millions to start investing in bonds. With as low as 5,000 naira, you can start investing in bonds. And with as much as 50 million, you can also invest. So there is no barrier to the amount you can start investing with. So you can start investing today once the next offer is out. Now, final note as caution. Number 1, don't invest without a verified broker. Number 2, know what you are signing up for. Don't ignore the duration, usually 2 to 3 years. Just know what you are signing up for. And number 3, don't forget to track your interest payment. Always do your homework or watch channels like this for relevant updates. Now, in summary, a bond is simply you lending money, and in return, you earn interest. And after the fixed or given period, you get your capital back. You can start with as little as 5,000, and it's one of the safest investments you can make. Now that you understand what bonds are and how you can start investing in it in Nigeria, hit that like button and do well to hit that subscribe button if you want to be receiving smart money tips like this. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Also, comment. You want us to do any video on Euro bond or corporate bond, please put it on the comment section. I'm Larry Obolo, and remember, we grow value and wealth one smart step at a time. Keep in touch and hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.